So a bit more on the snap-on modus, why I think it's the best for DIYers. So let's turn it on. Obviously it's a beautiful machine. It's only a 2-channel scope, but that's good enough. So let's just say you have scanned it and there's a mass airflow sensor fault. What do you do? Just replace it, or do you test the component? Obviously you've got to test the component so you don't waste money. So you go into component tester, select the vehicle you're working on. So there's only 2 systems on this engine. Find whatever sensor you're looking for. So mass airflow sensor. And you've got all these tests that you can do. Now if you go into each test, it will give you a little bit of advice at the bottom. Mass airflow sensor, connect to the harness, yellow channel to pin 3, then pin 2. Engine running, snap the throttle. What results you should expect. So idle, it should be at 1.3 volts. Then it should jump to 4 with a snap. And it should do it nice and smooth. And it gives you possible problems. Bad connection, blown fuse, earths. And it even gives you a pin-out display. But if you come out of it, and you go into component information, it'll give you a long write-up of all about it, the pin-outs, etc., where it is, how to get to it. So basically, a lot of advice, which is what you need when you're a DIYer or at-home mechanic sort of thing. So that's why I think these are the best. Manufacturer software, built-in scope with component tests and all the information you need to test each component.